Okay, I'd like to quickly explain a runoff election and how that is calculated here. So here we go. First of all, first place votes, if I look at Carson, all of these first place votes right here add up to 18. So he's got 18 to start with. I look at Cruz. To start with, Cruz has 11. Continue on. Rubio has 18 as well. And then Trump originally has 19. Now, if we look at these, the issue with this, again, if we're going for a majority, is nobody has a majority. There's a total of 66 voters, so we need to at least have 33. So, if we do this, one way we can do a runoff election is to eliminate the least, the one that gets the least first place votes. So basically, Cruz is out of the running. That means these 3 votes go up here to Carson. That means these 8 votes go to Rubio. But still, again, if all of them are 66 voters, we have to get greater than 33 voters in order to have a majority. So we still do not have a majority. So we move on. The next loser then, if we look at these values, is the 19. I have to redistribute those 19. Trump is out of the running. Also remember, Cruz is out of the running. So these 3 groups, again, that's 11, are going to go to Carson. So Carson's going to have 32. These remaining votes, those 8, are going to go to Rubio, which gives him 34. 34 is our majority, and therefore our winner through the runoff election is Rubio. Make sure in your assignment you really check their rules. Sometimes there's different types of runoffs. Sometimes they're just looking at the top 2 vote getters and using a runoff with them. Sometimes we use a more extensive setup as we have done here. Read carefully.